What's up, Shiba holders? So what's the target of Shiba coin, and what's the new prediction of Shiba? They moving up in upcoming days, or they gone down? Absolutely, this is very important. And what's the new target of Shiba coin? So everything in this video is very important. But first of all, if you can see here, my friend, the crypto market is moving up. Congratulations everyone, the crypto market started moving up today as a good result of crypto market. So what's the Shiba result, my friend? And those days Shiba going up or they falls down? What's my prediction? And what's the new latest target of Shiba coin? My friend, if you check out, this is the latest last 24-hour chart, my friend, and very badly falls down. And the last 24 hours, you can see here this point very badly falls down. The price is very decreased this time. I think they very badly fell down. So a lot of people tell me to please make a special video for this, to we sell, hold or buy, because we are going in the loss. So exactly, this is very urgent video for all Shiba coin holders, so don't skip and please understand what I told you. What's my prediction is very important to upcoming days. They going up or they falls down, my friend. Okay, first of all, I open at this time the 7 days charts, my friend. Then you understand to upcoming days they you gone up or they falls down, my friend. If you check out this time, I draw a highest point chart. You can see here this time I draw a chart, my friend. Please understand, after this chart you also understand today going up or they falls down, my friend. If you can see here, after a fails, my friend, after a fails, very small fail, they take a high jump, my friend, and after this jump they also falls down. You can see here, after a fail this part they also take a high jump, and after this jump they also falls down again, and I hope they also take a very high jump. I told you to how is it possible to they take a high jump, my friend. I have 3 year experience in crypto market, and every crypto currency is moving like a snake. You have in this circulation, you can see here jump and dump. Absolutely, in this circulation every crypto currency moving up. So this time this here is also this circulation. You can see here, my friend. If you can see here this point, they after a fails they take a high jump, and after a jump they take again fails, and after a fails they take again jump, my friend. So you can see here also after a jump they fails down again, and I hope in upcoming days they also moving up like a rocket. So my friend, if you can see here, after this chart, you can see, if you see this circulation, they're moving up like rocket and upcoming days. And you can see here the last 1506, you can see here they're moving up. Oh my goodness, very high percentage. This is very high change, my friend, and I hope in upcoming days they're also moving up. So my friend, the price is very cheap, and the target is 0.0010 US dollar. I hope they can hit it easily. What you say again, they can hit it. I hope they can hit it just in upcoming days. If they hit it, then absolutely they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. This time the price is very cheap, so please, if you want to invest, then absolutely this is good time to you invest. So thanks for watching. Please, Shiba coin holder, don't sell it, and this is good time. This is good time for you to invest. Absolutely, this is not a financial video. If you this is just advising, my friend. If you want to invest, then please research personally. This is good for you. So Shiba coin holder, please, the target is very low, and this is easily hit it in upcoming days. Please invest and hold and buy and wait for the end of this month. I hope. Please don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe. This is very important for me and also for you, because this channel is updating you every time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.